Hey everybody, what's up? Just want to show you how to take off one of these screws that is impacted in to these rotors. This is a 2002 Honda Odyssey. A lot of Hondas have these screws on them, and they need a tool called an impact screwdriver to take them off. You're probably familiar with this. You've probably seen them before. First and foremost, you want to make sure that you have the right bit on here. Make sure that when you put it on here, it goes in there nice and even, and there's no play when you turn it left and right. Okay? Next thing you want to know, or next thing you want to do is you want to put your impact screwdriver in the right position. There's a position for it to go clockwise, there's a position for it to go counterclockwise. I have it in the counterclockwise position. You can always check this by pushing it and seeing which way it's turning while you push it. This one's going counterclockwise. That's what I wanted to do because I'm taking off this screw. So next you want to put the impact screwdriver onto the screw very securely. Hold it with your hand, and while you're holding it with your hand, you want to also apply pressure in the counterclockwise position. So you want to put a little bit of, you want to make it so that you're like taking it off. Put some pressure going counterclockwise on here. Then you want to whack it with a hammer. One good whack should do it if you get it right. That's it. That comes right off. It's not coming off. Now it'll come off. Got that one off, and I'm going to do the second one too. I'm going to make sure that the impact screwdriver is still going the way I need it to go. I'm going to put it back on here, putting pressure in the counterclockwise motion, and I'm going to give it one nice tap. This is going to come off. I'm going to do this first. Bam. That simple, no problems. I can actually reuse this now. Installing it is just reverse of removal. Very easy. So I hope you guys learned something. Hope this helps you out in the future.